Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cute Eye Canvas. This video shows the step-by-step process of creating a beautiful pencil sketch. Watch how simple pencil strokes slowly turn into a detailed artwork. The sketch in this video highlights the power of shading and fine lines. Pencil sketching brings out the beauty of art without using colors. This drawing video is perfect for beginners who want to learn sketching. Every frame captures the magic of turning a blank page into a masterpiece. 7. The video shows how patience and practice make pencil sketches more realistic. From outline to shading, this video demonstrates each stage of sketching. Pencil sketch drawing videos inspire creativity and imagination. Watch and enjoy the simplicity and elegance of pencil art in this video.